What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of the World Wide Wonder Web? My name's Pursuit, and welcome to today's episode of The Pursuit of Happiness. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a cartridge without a battery. So you're going to need these two things here. You're going to need your cartridge, 510 thread, screw-on ones, and you're going to need some type of USB cable. And what you want to do is you want to cut off the end of the USB cable as I've done here. And you want to look for the red and black wires. You can just cut off the white and green wires. Then you're going to take the black wire and stick it in the hole of the cartridge. You can stretch it out to make it easier to fit in there because it's kind of small. Once it's in there, you're going to take the red wire and touch it to the thread, like so, and then your cartridge will start heating up once you plug it into a USB.